from Poland are Poles, not Polacks. And what I am is 100% American, born and raised in the greatest country on earth, and proud as hell of it. So don't you ever call me a Polak again, do you hear me? And this is how I will clean the table. Don't you ever talk to me like that again, do you hear me? Pig? Pollock? Disgusting, vulgar, greasy? What do you think you are? A queen? Remember what he alone said, that every man is a king, and I am the king around here! So don't you ever forget that. My place is all cleared up. You want me to clean yours? Remember when we first met? You thought that I was coming as dirt, and how right you were, baby. I was coming as dirt. Still, I'm sorry. Honey, it's gonna be alright after she goes and after you had a baby. It's gonna be alright between you and me, just like the way it was. Remember how it was. Oh, honey. It's gonna be so sweet when we can make noise at night just like the way we used to. And with nobody's sister behind the curtain to hear us.